The chemical platform of Roussillon brings together 15 companies specialized in the chemical industry. At this platform, Suez RRIWS Chemicals exploit 2 liquid waste incinerators and a biomass recovery unit. Ultimate concerns the liquid incinerators. These plants are specially designed to treat aqueous waste with a high salt content, waste containing sulfur, and very hazardous waste like cyanide. Liquid waste are delivered on site by road tankers, rail tankers, wagons, or directly by pipelines for the chemical platform's customers. Waste are sorted according to their chemical properties and stored before incineration. On each incineration line, flue gas are treated by a wet system consisting of a quench, 2 scrubbers for acid gases removal, 2 electrostatic precipitators for dust removal, and a SCR process for NOx treatment. This process leads to a fumes discharge in compliance with regulations. Wastewater used for fumes treatments are sent to a physical chemical wastewater treatment plant specific to the incinerators. The treatment line consists in reactors for coagulation, flocculation, settling tanks, and a sludge dewatering system. This case study will be led by Suez RRIWS Chemicals in close collaboration with Suez Smart Solutions, software publisher and IT solutions provider for water and waste sectors. The first subtask developed in Ultimate relates to energy recovery. The ash content of waste incinerated on the chemical platform of Roussillon is too high to enable steam production from flue gas via a boiler. Flue gas are quenched and water used for washing of gas is cooled via a closed-circuit cooling tower. Only a part of the washing water head is used for the evaporation of waste with a low pollutant content via a vacuum evaporator. The aim of Ultimate is to analyze the potential increase of thermal energy recovery. The feasibility to produce electricity, steam, or warm air from hot washing water for local use will be studied during the project. It is thus proposed to study steam production using an absorption heat pump, electricity production using an organic Rankine cycles or a thermoelectric generator, and combustion air preheating using a set of exchangers. The second subtask developed in Ultimate relates to material recovery. Since few years, the amount of sulfur contained in waste accepted for incineration increased. Environmental constraints, but above all the will of Suez to produce secondary raw material from waste, have inspired the idea to valorize sulfur contained in hazardous waste. After the burning step, 2 approaches are considered. The first one is the recovery of sulfur from the flue gas. The second one is the recovery of sulfur from water used to wash the flue gas. To recover sulfur from the flue gas before it pollutes washing water, we plan to produce sodium bisulfite using a process including at least the following steps: condensation, dust removal, and scrubbing. A pilot will be designed and constructed during Ultimate to test this solution in real conditions. The technical angle will be evaluated with the analysis of yield and purity, as well as the economic angle, which is essential to go up in scale. To recover sulfur from washing water, it should be separated from the other elements. Lab tests will be conducted to evaluate the efficiency of different reagents for specific precipitation. Other solutions, such as electrolytic oxidation, could be tested in this context. The sulfur is one of the major pollutants of incinerators' washing water. Its recovery could then be an opportunity to also recover some metals. This possibility will be investigated in a concept study, including a modeling of the physical and chemical phenomena involved. The feasibility will be evaluated according to the elements and washing water characteristics. Suez Smart Solutions will implement on this subtask software from its Aquadvance range. This application environment will allow to follow in real time the measurements coming from the pilot sensors. Business and economic indicators, KPI and others, will be configured or developed in Aquadvance plant and will allow the evaluation of the pilot's business efficiency and economic profitability. The computer development specific to the French pilot site will enrich the functional and technical perimeters of Acodvance plant software.